Hello and welcome to Choice News Africa. My name is Crispin Tavra. Today I've got Honorable Senator Molly, one of the veterans of the struggle. I'm at the Bulawayo Metropolitan Provincial Heroes Acre, where Senator and her team are cleaning up the shrine and making it smart. They've been doing that every day. Every time they even have people stationed at the national shrine, at the provincial shrine. So I'll let our senator talk about the progress that is making place here. Over to you, Senator.
Yeah. Lapha kuse shrine yako Bulawayo Provincial Heroes Acre lapho kulele khona izintombi lamajaha abakhulula leli lizwe. Yeah, ama-widows of the war veterans, they are very cooperative. We had a meeting with them, savumelana ukuthi akula munye umuntu ozabuya from any other place to come and clean this shrine. So they are cleaning this shrine by themselves, widows. So we are planning with all the shrines of the war veterans all over the country. We are paving them. That's why we are paving. As a paving. Yes, they are meeting where I was told I was being elected there to be their patron. The patron Yama widows is Zimbabwe wonke notako Bulawayo, all 10 provinces. Our wish is shrine lawa mele afanane wonke 10 shrines. And then we are asking, would a shrine there, when we talk of the unknown, mele kube the namajaha lezintombi abaphethe ama-guns. Yes, that statue is then when they're like that, also kukhanya phela ukuthi this is the shrine and this is the tombstone of the unknown. I-tombstone of unknown eyethu leyi yayiphakathi la. We removed it nama-soja namapholisa sabacela ukuthi kabayikhiphe phakathi bayibise phezulu, because the procedure is you salute the unknown before you salute this one. That's the procedure. So kwakungekho fair ukuthi laba babe phakathi kwalaba ngoba laba balamathambo alapha, laba balamathambo asala egangeni. Yes, so our wish is ukuthi ama-shrine wonke lawa abe uniform and afenselwe. Akhona abantu abanguquma into bayebhawa behamba phakathi kwama lawa asomangcwaba lawa. This is a parade square because kulele abantu abakhulula leli lizwe. We are what we are because of these people. If we don't respect them, uthi is everything right. And then this one, Bulawayo, it's not a shrine per se. This is a township of the liberators.
Yes.
Because you can see they've got lights. You can come and make a party if you want to. Is this the only shrine? A Lama light.
Yes.
We have pushed here and there. Today, the Jojo tank is in place.
Yes.
We have pushed here and there. Today, there are solar lights. There's solar panels. Without the push of the widows, neither would go.